In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Jira password in our full 2025 guide. Changing your password regularly is a smart way to keep your account secure and protect sensitive information. Let's walk through the steps together. First, make sure you're logged into Jira. If you're unsure about where to begin, go ahead and open your web browser, and in the address bar, type in the URL for Jira. This will typically lead you to the main login page where you can enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile picture or avatar. Give it a click and a drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is the profile option. By clicking on your profile, you'll navigate to a new page that provides a summary of your account. From here, the next step is to access your account settings. This option is usually located right at the top of the page. By selecting Account Settings, you're on your way to managing various aspects of your account, including your password. Next, find the section labeled Security. It might take a little scanning to locate, but it's necessary for making password modifications. Click on the Security tab, which will take you to another page with multiple security-related options. Here, you need to focus on the sections related to managing your password. Now look for the option that says Current Password. Click on it, which will prompt you to enter your existing password. This step is crucial for verification, ensuring that you're authorized to make changes to the account settings. Once you've confirmed your current password, you're ready to move forward. Proceed by entering your new password. Choose a password that is strong and secure, blending uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. It's wise to select a password that is both secure but also something you'll remember. Once you've entered your new password, be sure to confirm it by typing it again in the space provided for verification. This step minimizes errors and ensures that there are no mistakes in what you intended as your new password. Finally, once you're satisfied, scroll down and look for the Save Changes button. Click on it, and voila, your password is now updated. Remember, keeping your password secure is one of the best practices for safeguarding your information online. With these steps completed, you have successfully changed your Jira password. Congratulations on taking this important step to help protect your account. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day navigating Jira.